Hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo paano nga ba mag-sign out ng Apple ID account sa ating phone. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, para makapag-sign out tayo ng ating Apple ID sa ating phone, unang-una is pumunta tayo sa settings ng ating mobile device. So tap lang natin yung settings. Mula dito sa settings, hanapin nyo lang yung inyong profile name or yung profile picture na nandito sa pinakang taas ng settings. So tap lang natin. And then after nyan, mapupunta na kayo dito sa section ng inyong Apple ID account. So dito sa Apple ID account, hanapin nyo lang yung sign out na nandito sa pinakang lower part. So sign out yung nakalagay dyan, itatap lang natin yung sign out. And bago tayo makapag-sign out guys, required na maglagay tayo ng password for security purposes. So lagay lang natin yung password ng ating Apple ID account. After nyan, itap na natin dito yung sign up. So, andito ulit siya sa upper right corner ng screen. Tap natin yung sign out. And then, may magpo-pop up na option. So, tap ulit natin yung sign out. So, nagre-removing iCloud data na tayo. So, ready na siya para ma-sign out. So ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, wala nang nakalagay na profile name or profile picture dito sa taas ng settings. So ibig sabihin, naka-sign out na yung ating account dito sa ating phone. So ayun lang guys, ganoon lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-log out or sign out ng Apple ID account sa ating mobile phone. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life every day, late at night, not okay.